Update 2 on Cyclone Kenanga in the southwest Indian Ocean. A bit deeper than yesterday in pressure, but the same strength. Category 4 storm, 130 miles an hour, with 938 millibars. It's at 2 a.m. Mauritius time. The storm's at 16.5 degrees south and 82 degrees east. Not really moving much right now. Pretty close to the same spot it was in yesterday. Stage 5 on the CDPS scale. Devastating damage possible if the storm were to impact land right now. Fortunately, far away from land. That wind field's a bit bigger than yesterday as well, although still relatively small. Right now the storm is 1240 miles away from Rodriguez, 1,628 from Mauritius, and 1,765 away from Reunion. Madagascar, even further away than that, over 2,000 miles away from the center of the storm right now. Not too much to worry about there. Because of that, no warnings in effect for the storms right now. Salida is the bigger threat really for the islands right now. Mauritius and Rodriguez are definitely on watch for that. But right now, Kenanga, no warnings in effect for the storm. Not going to change in the future either. Here's when the computer model runs, GFS run. Kenanga on the right, Salida on the left. You can see Kenanga deteriorates pretty quickly on this model run, while Salida gets its act together pretty quickly. It is forecast to become a hurricane-strength cyclone, Salida over there, while Kenanga kind of meanders around the similar area and just winds down and dissipates as we head into the next week. And then you can see Salida kind of rocketing off to the southeast pretty quickly as it starts to get pulled down and recurve away. Fortunately, the models are shifting a bit east on that one, but too early to tell. Sea surface temperatures, pretty warm all around. 26s, 27s, east from 28s right now where Kenanga is. Once you get down to the southern side of the screen though, then you're going to start to see some 25s pop up. Another model look here, this is the wind map one. You can see Kenanga clearly the stronger of the two storms to start out. By the time we start heading into the weekend though, Kenanga starts to slowly weaken while Salida continues to strengthen pretty quickly. By the time we enter the weekdays of the next week, Kenanga only a tropical storm strength system, while Salida is pretty powerful still, but moving away from land at that point. And then as we move into Tuesday, Kenanga is all but dissipated at that point on the model run. Drifts slowly southward off the screen at that point in time. Here we go, chance of tropical storm force winds. This is pretty obvious, but Rodriguez, 0%. Mauritius, 0%. And Reunion, 0% chance for tropical storm force winds here, Force 13's analysis. Storm's definitely not getting close enough to really bring too much of an impact there, but we're covering it nonetheless. Computer models forecast, this is the scatter plot. Right now, pretty close, pretty tightly clustered. A slow southwest to west-southwest movement expected over the next 5 days or so. Steady but slow weakening anticipated during that time period as well. After the storm rapidly intensified yesterday to become the strongest storm of the season in the basin so far. Not expected to get any stronger for them at this point on, unless something unexpected happens. Right now, west-southwest is the expected motion. Some satellite imagery of the storm right now. It's deeper in pressure, like I said earlier. Not looking quite as impressive as it did, though, yesterday. It's moving a bit further south in latitude. That's why the pressure is deeper. But still a pretty organized storm, even if the eye is starting to cloud over a bit in the latest frames. Still a Category 4 storm. We're going to be tracking it throughout the next couple of days as it continues its path southwest. You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website, force13.com at your service. You can also check us out on YouTube if you're not watching there already. Subscribe as well, we're making updates all the time. And you can also follow us on Facebook, it's Force 13, all in text there. And we're on Twitter, Force 13 is the handle to find us there. You can also help the project become even better by becoming a patron. All contributions are invested directly back into the project. You can find more information about the benefits down below in the description using the link patreon.com/force13 to learn more. You can also join our Discord channel by messaging Fool13 and extension 9094 on Discord or using the link below in the description.